Ever heard the expression, cash is king? Free cash flow is the lifeblood of a business, reflecting a company's ability to generate cash, enabling it to reinvest in the business, pursue growth opportunities, pay dividends, reduce debt, or weather unforeseen challenges. Despite this, many investors still focus on reported earnings or profit as the key consideration for stock selection. Unfortunately, this doesn't always paint an accurate picture of the reality. Profit is the result of several choices made by management, and certain accounting principles can make company profits appear higher than they actually are. For example, many companies report revenue receivable in the future as profit. This can make reported earnings inconsistent with the business' real financial position. Free cash flow is the amount of cash left over after costs, interest payments, and tax. This can offer a more realistic representation of financial health. It tells investors how much cash the business has available to pay dividends, buy back shares, pay off debt, or make further investment into the business. Positive free cash flow tells investors that the business is generating more cash than it needs to operate. And the research tells us that's a good thing. Companies with strong cash flows are generally better placed to weather periods of economic downturn. A cash buffer can protect these businesses when revenue falls or expenses increase. The additional cash also puts companies in a prime position to pursue growth opportunities when the time arises. That could be an acquisition of another business or entering into a new market, for example. Additionally, companies with higher free cash flow generation tend to outperform companies with lower free cash flow generation. The Betashares Global Cash Flow Kings ETF, ASX code CFLO, is designed to provide convenient, transparent, and cost-effective exposure to 200 global companies delivering strong free cash flow with low levels of debt. Learn more about the Betashares Global Cash Flow Kings ETF on our website. You can invest in the fund through Betashares Direct or via your broker or financial advisor.